and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
I'm looking for a side hustle or ways to make money from home. Watch this video and I will share with you how I went from 0 to 10K plus per month with affiliate marketing and how you can do just the same.
Meet new and improved Affiliaxa, the #1 side hustle to start making thousands online and create freedom lifestyle you deserve. I don't know about you, but one thing I love about waking up is checking my Gmail account to see how much I've earned while sleeping. It's exhilarating. After years of hard work and dedication, I've created an online business that runs 24/7 and generates up to $3,000 per day or night. The best part? Now I can live a freedom lifestyle, and I want to share this opportunity with you. All you need to do is join Affiliaxa and follow just a few simple steps. The main idea of Affiliaxa is to provide new online marketers with everything they need to start making money online quickly, without putting a strain on their bank accounts. Our goal is to give you the tools and resources necessary to achieve success in the online marketing world. For a one-time payment of just $37, you can gain access to our high-paying affiliate program. With every successful referral, you have the potential to earn up to $1,185. But that's not all. We also provide you with a collection of ready-made viral content for your social media platforms. This means you can effortlessly engage your audience and generate interest in your new business. Plus, we offer a highly effective sales funnel that is designed to convert leads into paying customers. This ensures you make sales every time you promote your business, whether it's through paid or free traffic. Welcome to the dynamic world of Affiliaxa Solo Ads, a pivotal component within the impressive Affiliaxa high-converting sales funnel. As an affiliate, you're not just earning generous commissions, you're stepping into the realm of the traffic business, unlocking unprecedented opportunities. Picture this: 80% commission on the front end and a compelling 30% for the entire funnel. But the magic doesn't stop there. With every instance of your referrals purchasing traffic, your earnings soar. Here's the game-changing strategy. Drive traffic to the Affiliaxa free training page. Let the funnel take the reins, weaving its magic to captivate and convert. As you focus on attracting individuals to the funnel, watch as high-ticket sales roll in effortlessly on autopilot. Welcome to the supremacy of Affiliaxa Fast Income Funnel, where earning substantial income is not just a goal, it's a reality waiting to unfold.